Not bad. I'm gonna cut it in half and then cut it in half again and then slice these like this, and then I'm going to put them on the pizza. All right, so that's all done, and now I'm going to take these mushrooms and rinse them because they're going on a pizza as my trusted Ninja air fryer. Oh, that needs to be cleaned, but I'm going to heat her up right now. So I don't know if the pizza is going to be able to go on there. We're going to see, but I'm going to put it on there. Now, someone told me when I make pizza, always make it on 475. This only goes up to 450. I'm doing it on bake. I think I need to do maybe like 375. This air fryer is, yeah, it cooks the way it cooks. I don't want to burn it. So and it's a flatbread pizza. So you'll see how thin it is. But I just wanted to preheat the oven. I will probably watch it and adjust it. Now, because I am using cheese, I'm going to use some parchment paper as well. But this is it. I got this for free as well. Yes, I take free food, y'all. With the price of food now, a bell pepper being almost $2, you get Tay some free food. She's gonna take it there. So this is honey wheat. I normally don't do wheat, but when I went to the food place, I don't want it to rip. When I went to the place that gave us, and it's September 17th, right? I had it in the refrigerator. I didn't want to freeze it because I knew I was going to be making these pizzas. Now, when I went to the food place, they had bread and all. I didn't want all that. So I just got this. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Let me move this. I have, how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 more left. I was making like, I had some rotisserie chicken from Costco. So I made like a wrap, a chicken wrap. Put a bunch of vegetables in there. These are 110 calories. The sodium is pretty hot. Well, it's 370 milligrams. So I will consider that a little high. The 16%. 9 grams of protein. 3 grams of fat. And 16 grams of carbohydrates. So I might make 2. But we're going to see. So the Ninja air fryer is on 380 and it's warming up. And I'm going to start with one of these. Instead of me using the regular sauce, this is what I made the vegan ricotta cheese for. So it's like you ever had a white pizza, right? That's how this is going to be. Or that is how I think it's going to be in my mind. That's how I see it. Now this is, let me see. I shouldn't have put so much water, not water, but I use my own veggie broth. I think I would have wanted the consistency a little bit thicker, but it's okay. This is what I have now. And I don't have any more tofu. I only brought 1, and normally I buy 2. I don't know why I just bought 1. I know I always buy 2, at least 2. When I bought the 6-pack, I think, no, 6 or 8-pack, I can't remember how many came in, but you know, everything at Costco is large, super large, oversized. So when I bought that, I didn't eat my tofu as quickly. So I was like, I'm not going to buy that like that anymore unless I can freeze it. But if I freeze it, the consistency may be different. So I think I will have to make it and then freeze it. If you understand what I'm saying, not just freeze the tofu, the block of tofu, make it into what I want it to be, whatever I'm going to make, and then freeze it. Because it did say for this, I can freeze it. I'm going to put the recipe for the vegan ricotta cheese. I'm going to put that link in the comments of the Facebook Live. Yeah, there are more platforms. I could use more platforms. I don't have to use YouTube for everything. They spoil my damn name on YouTube, but soon, I pray, and very soon, they'll be held accountable and my name will be rectified or whatever the word I'm looking for. All right. So this is, okay, so let's put that there. Okay, that's not going to stay there. Now, don't have any tomatoes. Wish I had some tomatoes. Don't have any. So I'm just going to start putting the vegetables on here. Now, I'm a little weird. Things have to be sometimes uniformed and stuff. And it's like, just put them on there. But I will probably be eating this with a knife and a fork. I don't think it's going to be thick enough for me to pick up. But maybe I'm wrong, right? Maybe I'll be wrong. Who knows? Now, what I think I may want to do is have some mushrooms, but I think what I may want to do is take some of these mushrooms and put them in the food processor so that way it'll be little pieces the way they do like the sausages. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a few of these on here. So because they're so thick, right? Because they're so thick, I'm just going to slice them. Whoop, whoop, whoop-de whoop. Shout out to the people like myself that, you know, always did cooking videos and don't just jump on a bandwagon because somebody else is doing it. Okay, so you're just going to sit like there like that because you fell. So, but I'm happy that I can inspire people to do things even if I don't get credit, right? That's what the foundation was called. Each one, teach one. All right, so this one's I picked up a big one and I don't have anywhere to put this one. But I think they put stuff on top of stuff, right? I don't have to be so uniformed. And I need this protein because, like I said, I haven't really eaten today. I just had a lot on my plate. I should have made my smoothie. I don't even remember what I ate for breakfast. That's the crazy part. Okay. Okay, so I took some and put them in the food processor. And let's see. Okay, well, I guess it would have came out better if I did it with my hands, right? As opposed to just dropping it on there. Now, I would totally lick this, but I don't eat raw mushrooms. I don't like eating raw mushrooms. They have to be cooked a little bit. That's how I was with onions, though, but now I do eat raw onions. I just don't eat raw mushrooms. Okay. So it looks like a sausage. It looks like a sausage. Sausage pizza. What else am I putting on here? Besides the vegan cheese, I will also be putting on here some spinach. Not a lot, but a few pieces. Ew. So this is vegan cheese that I am putting on here. I'm just going to take a little bit more. I like cheese, and if it's vegan, then I won't have issues. So And I want it to be a pizza. The white stuff, like I said, is like a white pizza. That is the ricotta. Let's just make sure you get all the cheese on here, Tay-Tay. Okay. One more. Why not? One more handful. One more handful. We're there. We're right there at the top, though, right? I love that the ricotta, the imitation ricotta cheese, it emulates the white sauce that they use. So I wonder what white sauce do they use? Or are they using ricotta cheese? Okay, I'm eating it with my hands. Those flavors are banging. Thanks for watching, and should you try this flatbread pizza, I'm going to throw in a Dunkin' Donuts e-gift card so you can have a nice drink, iced coffee, or something on me. Happy holidays!